Google Pixel 7a is expected to arrive at Google I/O in just over a month, and now the phone has been leaked in official looking images. The Pixel 7a isn't a device that exactly shrouded in a mystery, but it isn't shown up in many images thus far. My Smart Price and On Leaks today published several images of the Pixel 7a that shows the device off several angles in what appears to be official renders of the device said to be used for marketing and other purposes. Now, these renders doesn't tell us anything new about what inside of the Pixel 7a, but they do show a device that remarkably similar to its predecessor. The Pixel 7a shares the same shape and screen bezels as the Pixel 6a, but does see a couple of tweaks. The camera bar is lower this time around and it also matches the design of the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro with the metal bar that has the cutout for the camera module. It looks like the bar will be of matte, matching the $599 Pixel 7. Expected in that camera bar is an upgraded primary sensor as we previously seen. It will be coming with a 64 megapixel of a main camera sensor and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, which is a nice addition and will give a competition to other mid-range category device, which includes Nothing Phone and the Samsung Galaxy A54 in that category. And with Google own software and enhancement in the camera department, particularly in the photos department, will definitely enhance the photography capability of this particular device. So we have to wait and see how the device camera performance is going to be performing. Now, most notably in these images, we have a new blue color variant which we haven't yet seen. This color was first reported on earlier this year with the new Pixel Buds variant coming to match it. But this is the first ever we have seen it. The blue shade is pretty pale but perhaps a little more visible than the blue Pixel 4a. Also somewhat noticeable is the frame of the device, which changed its shades a bit more between color variants this year. And also like the Pixel 6a, there are antenna bands along the frame, and these all confirms that it will be made up of metal. Now, as far as the specs, previous reports indicates that the Pixel 7a will be powered by Pixel 7 Tensor G2 chipset. It will have a 6.1-inch OLED screen with a higher 90Hz refresh rate, which is kind of an upgrade from the Pixel 6a, which was coming with 60Hz, so definitely it's a plus point. The phone is likely to have a 64 megapixel and 13 megapixel of ultra wide shooter. Unlike the Pixel 6a, it also expected to support wireless charging. The device is rumored to have 128GB of storage, and this time around you will see two different variants of RAM, which includes 6GB and 8GB. And at the end, we know that there aren't many visual changes. There will likely be a lot of changes under the hood, and this could help the Pixel 7a become the best mid-range phone of the year. Now, lastly, about the pricing of the Pixel 7a, it could be around $500 due to inflation. Previously, we know that Pixel 6a was coming with a $449 price tag. So definitely you could expect to have a $50 of a price hike this year. Now, Google is expected to be revealing this particular device on May 10 in their Google I/O event. So definitely you should check out this Pixel 7a if you wanted to have a best mid-range category with a better processor and a better looking camera sensor inside. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think that Pixel 7a will be the best mid-range phone of the year? Let us know in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.